Hey guys, I'm Michael Allen.
And I'm D'Angelo, TravelCostaRicaNow.com.
Where are we?
We are up in the northern part of Costa Rica, in the Guanacaste region, in a Playa Hermosa.
Yeah, we're about an hour and a half from Tamarindo North, man. This is our new favoriteest place. It is freaking beautiful.
Playa Hermosa means beautiful beach, and it lives up to its name.
So this is a place for people that aren't like super partiers, don't like all the touristy stuff, that kind of
Wants to
thing.
relax, just take a day and chill at the beach, or go and do some activities around the area.
Although, yeah, you can still do those things. You can still do zip lining from around this area, but this is for people that kind of relaxing, but this place is freaking beautiful.
There's an area, you got zip lines, you got ATVs, you got horseback, you've got snorkeling, sailing. There's lots of different activities you could do if you wanted to get out and do that in this area. Without trying to sound like a salesperson, we've got a hotel for you too. So go ahead and get in contact with us, because this place is beautiful and totally hook you guys up down here.
I'm Michael Allen.
I'm D'Angelo for TravelCostaRicaNow.com.
Peace, guys. Hope it helps. God, this place. I love coves. I've got a fondness for this
Well,
shape.
you can swim here.